Introducing the world's first omnidirectional underwater drone. FIFISH V6 leverages its patented smart thruster array that fully unleashes the user's creativity to explore and film without limits. The V6 can also rotate in 360-degree flips, rolls, and pivots. Its innovative posture lock function allows the user to perform a combination of movements while locked in a particular angle. Equipped with an all-innovative stabilization system, FIFISH V6 is the ultimate underwater drone. Integrated with all new VR functions and FIFISH's head tracking mode, put yourself into the first-person view of the drone and control what you want to see simply by turning your head. FIFISH V6 delivers a 166-degree wide-angle field of view, paired with 4K UHD image quality, enhancing the colorful and vivid details of the aquatic world. Geared with 4,000 lumen LED lights, FIFISH V6 brings you remarkably vibrant underwater content with different levels of adjustable brightness. Our integrated app allows you to share stunning underwater content across multiple display and social media platforms in real time. The HDMI input from the controller can be used for live streaming activities on various platforms. FIFISH V6 is equipped with an advanced sonar system used for the mapping of seafloors. The V6 is built to handle a wide range of applications ranging from industrial tasks, such as safety inspections and aquatic farming, or commercial uses such as filming and photography. Trust the V6 to perform these activities with ease and excellence. From professionals to enthusiasts, FIFISH V6 gives you the eye to explore the aquatic world with endless potential and possibilities. FIFISH V6. Escape to the ocean.
This is the face of fortitude. The face of authenticity. The face of resilience. This is the face of adventure, the Phoenix 6 series from Garmin.